This is Orkodip Khashnabish, and I'm finally back again on YouTube after 1.5 months. I'm really feeling very well to start shooting from today, and I was not able to shoot any videos for 1 month because I was really very sick and it was not possible for me to shoot any videos. So after a long time, I'm finally back again with a new video. I hope everybody is doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show everyone my Durga Puja clothes which I bought for Durga Puja, my new clothes for Durga Puja. So if you all want to know, then you will have to watch the whole video. So please watch it, and if you enjoy watching the video which you're watching right now, then please share it with your friends and family and hit the thumbs button. It would mean a lot to me. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So firstly, I am going to start with all the t-shirts and shirts which I bought for my Durga Puja 2020. So firstly I'm going to show you all this kurta. Yes, this kurta I bought for my Durga Puja, new kurta. This is from Indus Root and I really loved it. This is the kurta. Now, second is my t-shirt. This is a t-shirt. I bought it from Levi's. This t-shirt is from Levi's. See? This is the t-shirt. This color is really very nice. I'm loving it. In fact, all the clothes which I bought are really very nice. I'm showing you all one by one. Now, this is the third t-shirt which I bought for Durga Puja. This is from Spiker Purist. This color is also very nice. Fourth t-shirt is this one. This t-shirt is from Pepe Jeans London. This is very, very nice, especially the design. This design is very nice. Now my fifth t-shirt, black color. I have most of the black t-shirts because I really love to wear black color a lot. And I bought this from Bewakoof.com. I often buy things from Bewakoof.com. It is really very nice, and the t-shirts, the collection of t-shirts from Bewakoof.com are really very attractive. So I buy a lot of things I shop a lot of things from Bewakoof.com. So this is also in Puja. Also I have bought one t-shirt from Bewakoof.com. This one, really very nice. I'm loving it. Black color. My favorite color is not black. My favorite color is blue and red. But I love to wear black. This is not a branded t-shirt. I brought it from Amazon because I loved it, the design. Just see, it's so unique. The eyes of a lion. This t-shirt is really very unique and it attracted me. And I ordered it on Amazon. This t-shirt is also very nice and one of my favorite. So now I am showing my seventh t-shirt. This is a really very nice, and this is my favorite t-shirt, a full sleeve t-shirt, and this is really bit interesting. This is from Adamo company. This is the full sleeve t-shirt, and you can see this is ripped t-shirt. You can see. I would like to show it especially because this is a very unique design, and this is the design. It is ripped, and I really love to wear ripped jeans, and I generally wear ripped jeans, so I thought of buying a ripped t-shirt also. This is my favorite. So these are all the 7 t-shirts which I bought for my Durga Puja. Now you people tell me which one is the best. And now I am going to show you all my jeans which I bought, all the jeans which I bought for my Durga Puja 2020. So first jeans is this one. This jeans I bought from Pantaloons. It is ripped jeans, And ripped jeans is always my favorite. Ripped jeans is always my favorite. See, just give it a look. This is the first jeans I bought it from Pantaloons. Second jeans, this I ordered online. This is from Jack and Jones. This is also ripped, and this jeans is really very unique. Color is black, but the design is really very unique for me. So this is the second jeans. Now this is the third jeans. This is the third jeans. This is from Zara. I bought this jeans from Zara. This is also ripped. You can see this ending is also ripped, and this side is ripped. This side is ripped. I really like to wear ripped jeans. The color is also new for me. I don't have such colored jeans. I have never worn before. So this jeans is also one of my favorite. Now this is the fourth jeans. This is really normal. This is not ripped like the others. This is normal jeans. Fourth jeans. Only this much part. This part. This is normal. I got it as a gift from my uncle. So yes, this is from Bare Denim. My uncle gifted me this jeans. So yes, this is all very special for me. This is the fourth jeans. Now the last jeans which I have is this one, the fifth jeans. This I bought from Levi's. This jeans is my favorite because this is mostly ripped. Just see the color. It's so attractive. The color is really very attractive. This is my favorite. The best jeans for me is this. I have 5 jeans. This is my favorite. Among the t-shirts, I have also shown which is my favorite. And among the jeans, I am also showing this is my favorite. So these are all the clothes which I bought for my Durga Puja. No, it's not the end. I have more to show. I have 2 more shoes and 1 watch which I will show you all. This is the first shoe which I have. I bought it from Zara. I really wanted to buy a metallic type of shoes for me, like shiny shoes. So I thought of buying this, and this is really very unique for me. I've never worn this type of shoes before. So I have bought it, and it's really very nice, and this is my favorite shoe. And this is the other shoe. This is from USPA. This is a normal casual shoe. So yes, these are all the shoes. And I have one more thing to show, which is my watch. This is the last thing. This is the watch which I bought for my puja, and it's really very nice. This is not a branded watch. This is an ordinary watch which I bought, but I'm wearing it and showing you all. This is the watch. Please mention in the comment section how is it. Also mention in the comment section which cloth is the best, and the combination of clothes, like I will wear which t-shirt, which jeans. You can suggest me also. I can follow your suggestions also. So that's it. These are all the clothes and shoes and watch which I bought for my Durga Puja 2020. This year Puja is a little different from the other years because this year the COVID-19 is also there. So we need to be very careful while stepping out, and I am also requesting everyone that please wear your masks when you are going out for pandal hopping. And as per the rules given by the High Court, nobody is allowed to enter into the pandal, and all the pandals are declared as the quarantine zones or restricted areas. I will go out, obviously. Yes, I will not stay at home. I will go out. I will wear all these new clothes and go out. I will click pictures, have food. So I am requesting everyone, please maintain social distancing. Please keep wash your hands regularly, sanitize yourself properly, and obviously don't forget to wear your masks. Wishing everyone a very happy and safe Durga Puja 2020. Enjoy a lot in this pujo. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching my YouTube video. I loved creating this video and showing you all my clothes which I bought for Durga Puja. So that's it. Bye bye. Until next time, stay safe and take care of yourselves. See you soon with another new video.